Zhongshan Good Life Sun Sheet Company Limited was founded in 2000. Our company imports the most advanced Italian facilities and technology, adopts raw material from Bayer Company, Germany. The annual output will be 12,000 tons, and our company has passed some international certificates, such as ISO 9001-2008, ISO 14001-2004, Russian UKAS, American ASTM, and so on. Our products are well sold in more than 50 countries. Good Life Polycarbonate Hollow Profile, Solid Sheet, and Corrugated Sheet. They're highly thought of and honored by architectural decoration, municipal industry, etc.